All right, y'all. I just received my Zito LED lights for my Dodge Charger Scatpack. This is how the stock headlights look. As you can tell, very dim. Also, I have windshield tint, so it is very hard to see at nighttime sometimes. But this is the before, and I'm gonna show y'all the after once I'm done. I'll be back in a couple seconds for y'all. All right, this is what the unpackaging looks like inside the box. You get some gloves to protect your hands from touching the bulb, obviously, you know what I'm saying? And then got that. Then you get your bulbs, you know what I'm saying? Get what you need right there. Send it to them. Alright, Zito. I got sent the wrong one. Here's the bulb right here. I'm trying to put it in the, as you can tell, this is you guys' bulb that you sent. That's the connector. And this is my headlight connector right there. As you can tell, it can't fit. Don't fit. So yeah, I apologize. I was getting ready to make the video as well. All right, y'all. So we got the new LED lights from Zito. These are the other ones that they had sent, but they the wrong size. Well, the wrong bulbs. They can't fit. They can't fit in my connector type shit. So, I'm saying we're gonna use these gloves unless these come with some gloves too as well, because these came with these, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. I'm gonna open this up. I need both my hands. All right, damn, my fault for the shakiness, but I got it open. I don't know why I'm struggling right now. Oh shit. But this, as you can tell, do come with gloves as well. You know what I'm saying? Got the pieces that I need. You know what I'm saying? They gonna fit. Come with the extensions. So yeah, we good. I'm gonna get back with y'all once I install them. Well, I'm gonna show y'all everything that comes with it. I'm gonna show y'all how the bulb looks and everything once I put the gloves on. All right, so this is how the bulb looks, taking it out the box. You know what I'm saying? Got the extension. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in over here. Gotta take this off. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna take it all the way off, bro. I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying? Lift it up, squeeze my hand through that bit, get the cap off, do what I did last time. But I ain't gonna lie, that shit took me like an hour. So I know what I'm doing this time. But I'm gonna get back up with y'all once I got them installed. All right, so I got the easy one in, the passenger side. So let's see what it look like. Okay then, got the white light, man. And this the yellow. So we're gonna do away with the old. And put the new one. Also, hey, I apologize about the shaky footage though, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got my tripod. All right, y'all, so I finished. This is the finished product. Got the white light. And the white light over here too. Same pretty. Looking real good. I'm gonna get a nighttime clip for y'all as well. I'm gonna get a nighttime clip. All right, chat. This is what it look like at nighttime. This is what it look like. I got the bottom. That shit's in it. All right, chat. This is how it looks during nighttime with the white light compared to the yellow lights. It look pretty bright. Mind you, I do got windshield tint, So, you know, the white light do help out extremely. I want to say I appreciate Ozito for sponsoring your boy.